I'm Eddie Cetin, the Managing Director of Agentbox, a leading provider of real estate software solutions. I normally get asked, what is the number one thing that I need to focus on to get more listings? And it's simply prospecting. And we have developed a market-leading technology which we've been acknowledged as being best of breed in terms of this technology that we developed. And leading agencies across Australia are utilising this software and getting amazing results. Well, the way to target within Agentbox, we've given you a tool that allows you to draw boundaries within an applicable map right down the street level and utilise it however you want. And then you can assign those boundaries to agents and those zones to agents. And from there, you can actually then geo-target the actual listings within those areas. Actually, you'll find that Ferry was actually actively talking about this recently at the ARIC conference, and this is all about being able to focus your area and become a specialist in an area. So once you've actually drawn your zones or the areas and defining those areas, you're able to then actually analyse very, very effectively the actual information coming in. So we're getting a live feed from RP data, and then you're able to then compare it to what you've got in the database, and you're actually getting live sales history from there, and then from there you're able to then target market and become the specialist then and actually really intelligently analyse that marketplace. Some of the things that you can automate is you can actually assign tasks to the properties. And from that point, you may want to follow up expired listings, some old ones, some new ones. You're then able to get a target list you may want to mail merge to directly from an Agentbox utilising this powerful data. Then maybe do a bulk email or bulk SMS, depending on how you want to then drive that. And because it's all about becoming the agent of choice, and that's about building that brand. And we give you those tools to give you that flexibility. You really shouldn't miss a listing using this software. It's about following up properly. You're assigning these tasks. It'll actually remind you to get this done because it's all about focusing your activity there and becoming that agent of choice. The integration with CoreLogic is about instead of having to log into two separate systems, you're working within your CRM and that data feed is coming in live into Agentbox. And it enables you to work much more effectively in terms of prospecting and adding those properties with a single click straight into Agentbox, and it becomes a prospect record, which it's about you then getting that knowledge and really farming that knowledge effectively. What this means is that you're actually referencing live data from CoreLogic within Agentbox, so you're not having to worry about it being current or not at any time. I think the critical thing these days is to be mobile, and being a cloud-based solution, it does enable your workforce to be completely mobilised, and we allow them to access information at their fingertips out in the field. Here at Agentbox, we really focus on database integrity, and it's that focus is what has enabled this development with CoreLogic and true prospecting capability. It's not just a matter of putting the property records in there, it's really about that relationship between those contacts and properties. And that's what really defines who we are.